This video will show you how to connect your Bumpsale button to your Weebly website. So this is starting off with the assumption that you've already set up your first Bumpsale with the offer and the starting price and landing page and thank you page. And you've gotten to the point where you have the installation instructions with the HTML code and you need to know where to put it and how to put it. So with your Weebly website open in the editor, this is a little demo site I created for this purpose. You would go to the embed code block and drag it over to where you want the button to show up. I think I'm gonna put it right about here. And it tells you to click to set the custom HTML. And this is where you'll be copying and pasting the Bumpsale button code that you grab from the Bumpsale site after you've already set up your Bumpsale. So the first line of code is this script. We just double click on it and copy it. You can click Control C or Command C on an Apple. And that goes here. Paste. That's the first line set. Then we go back to Bumpsale and we grab the second line. Copy back to the Weebly website. And you'll notice that it kind of disappears. So you have to know where you put that block and double click on it and then click on edit and paste. And then we get the last block, which is the style. Tells us how the Bumpsale button will look on the website. And you can see the area a little bit more easily spotted because you can see the buy now text. Double click on it, edit, and paste. And those are the three Bumpsale code lines that you will add to your website. And if you need further customization with this code, you can change the background color of the button with this line. You can change the size of the text on the button with the font normal. I like to change it to 17 because I like big buttons. And then you click publish. And Weebly will save that to your website. And this is how it looked before. And this is how it looks after the Bumpsale button is installed. And when you send your customers here to buy your burger recipe or class, they click on this button and it opens up the Bumpsale button payment where they can pay and they have limited time to pay. And once they pay, then the button on your website will automatically bump to the next increment. And that's how you install the Bumpsale button on a Weebly free website.